I fall in your sight.
Hey you guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking this Auburn hair color. This hair is brought to you by Beauty Forever, so I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize and style this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received some wig caps, an elastic band, eyelashes, a bonnet, and a brush. This unit is a 13x4 lace frontal unit, body wave, dark Auburn colored, 150% density unit. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. She is 26 inches with an adjustable elastic band. So we are going to customize this unit, taking our quick blue powder and 40 volume developer, mixing that up and creating thick consistency. I tried to dye this unit and it didn't lift, so I highly suggest using a color remover instead and then adding the bleach on top of that. So I do have a tutorial on that, but I ran out of the color remover, so I didn't do it on this unit, but it still came out really good, and I got a lot of compliments on this unit, so she is the it girl. So as you can see, I am styling this unit for a side part. I love to style off of my head instead of on it this time, so I'm taking my wax stick and hot comb and then parting the baby hairs off of my head as well. And then once I do that, I then go ahead and grab some water, spray the hairline, and go ahead and pluck my unit. I do pluck in sporadic motions, and then after that sporadic motion, whatever I plucked, I just go all the way back until I hit those tracks, and now create a nice natural hairline. It does take me a longer time to pluck my unit doing this method, but the results are like unmatched and super bomb. So I am going to wear this unit bone straight, so I am doing the chase method. You didn't see it, but I did add the BioSilk serum on the hair before applying this, before straightening this unit. So I will link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, just take really small pieces and do the chase method, and it just came out so bomb. And this unit is very long. I love the luster on this unit, as well as the length. It's just, everybody was giving compliments on this wig. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite colors, okay? So we added it to our list, y'all. But now we're going to install this unit. So don't forget to, touch it up, add that BioSilk after as well to create that shine, So now it's time to install this unit. We are going to add our new wig cap, which is more of a seamless version compared to the older wig cap. So see how the old school version is very thick and this version is now super thin, and it just makes the bald cap methods like bomb. Okay, you guys, it melts into my skin perfectly. I really love this new version. I think they finally caught on that a lot of the girls was using pantyhose instead for the bald caps, and they finally made wig cap versions of the pantyhose. So yeah, it just makes everything more seamless. Like, look at how thin it is. It finally attaches near my ear, because you know how the thicker wig caps, it doesn't attach close to your ear. So yeah, these ones does. So I really love using these as my bald cap version. I'm going to take my mineral powder and just adding that to the wig cap to create our bald cap. And I did find a song. It's more of a pop indie version song, so it's super different. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna play it while you watch me install this unit.
Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife.
the comments if you liked this song, but here I'm just doing my baby hairs. I applied that Loda Body mousse to shape my baby hairs, and let the comb do the work and not your fingers, because the fingers just mess it up. I just use it to just hold in that place. But overall, I'm obsessed of how I did these baby hairs. Definitely take your time, and after you're done shaping them, don't forget to add those hair wraps. I use about like 3 of them, and then I use my elastic band to just hold those hair wraps down, and then I let those sit for about 10 minutes or more, or until it's dry. That's how it's going to shape. And this method actually lasts for a few days. So here I'm just removing the elastic band and the hair wraps, and then after we do that, we're just going to clean up the baby hairs by taking our edge control brush again, and we're just going to comb out those baby hairs just so they can be more fluffier and not looking very harsh and I don't even know the word for it. Tacky? Is tacky the word for it? I don't know, but here I'm just cleaning up my baby hairs, and that's basically it. I love this hairstyle on me. I love a nice deep side part. It just makes it look more chic, This is the following day, and the hair looks amazing. Let me tell you, I did 1 round of glue, and it just lasted for a whole week. I want to thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.